here tonight because we know that local manufacturing matters.
SFMade has been an incredible partner to us. We know that we can call them up and depend on them for incredible resources.
It feels like we have allies in our corner.
Having local manufacturing, the San Francisco Bay Area becomes a more interesting and vibrant place, a place that we are excited and proud to call our home.
SFMade gives me resources and a community of like-minded people.
SFMade is the organization you want to be part of. They get it. They have a lot of people that actually could help and support you.
Pretty much anything we need. I know that I can just call up SFMade and they're going to support whatever idea or need that we have.
The most important thing that SFMade did for me was their care, attention to detail. They made me feel that I could do it.